What's going on, guys? My name is Ben and welcome back to another video. This is actually episode 4 of the crashed Fiesta ST build. I'm starting the video off with a bit of paint. I'm inside this kind of conservatory room I have, and behind me are the pieces of plastic from the front bumper. What I want to do is paint the fog light surrounds and the lower grille in gloss black so that they match the massive ST honeycomb grille. I did take these parts to a professional body shop. However, the job they done was frankly quite shocking. So I have sanded them down. They are all prepped and ready for paint. First step is to apply some filler primer to get rid of any imperfections. Then I'll build up the layers of gloss black and then the clear lacquer. Let me show you the parts. There they are. So I've sanded them down, so they're quite smooth, and just prepared them. Got all the dust and bits like that off them. All my paint is there ready, and let's get spraying. So I have managed to spray paint just one of those fog light surrounds just to see how it goes. And I did also get overspray on my camera, so I didn't film this particular one. But this is how it's turned out, which looks quite nice. This is before the lacquer's gone on, so it's quite good, I think. I'm just going to give it a quick sand with 600 grit wet and dry sandpaper, as there are a couple of textured bits there which I like to get rid of before the lacquer goes on. But if this one goes well, then I will prep the other one, and as well as that lower grille piece. Right then, whilst those pieces are inside drying, I thought I'd start work on the ST. The sun is finally out, it's boiling hot today, so I thought I'd be able to install my new intercooler, which I picked up this morning for the car. But also I can show you the front bumper, which is temporarily been put into place using just only 4 bolts. Let me show you. If you follow me on Instagram, you would of course already seen this, but the bumper is back from paint and it's looking just magnificent, really. Compared to the job they've done before, that is a bang on colour match. And this morning I did pick up a new intercooler, which I'll install now. But yeah, it's all coming together. I just hope the trim bits I've painted come out all right, and then it can start being put back together, and maybe I can clean it today, who knows. productive day working on the ST. As you can see, we have the front end completely on. It does still need alignment, especially in the headlights and where the bonnet meets the bumper, but that is a job for another day. I brought it down here so it's closer to the hose so I can give it its first ever wash. Once it's clean, I can finally see what I'm dealing with the paintwork. I will give it a proper clean at a later stage and give it a buff using some Maguire's compound to try and get some of the light scratches out. If not, they will be touched up with paint. But let me run you through the car. So it does actually look like a Fiesta ST again, which is good. As you can see, just need to do some alignment there. I need to order some bolts, to be fair, because the bolts are all missing for the bottom. So yeah, that's one of those, but it's looking really, really good. Actually really impressed. So yeah, quick wash, get it looking good. And also I've got the grills and other things to go in, obviously, but paint's not working out too good on those lower bits that I painted, so not really happy about that. But anyway, that's another day. Time to wash. Right then, it's about a week later. Apologies for the long delay in this video going up. However, I've been too busy and I simply haven't been working on the Fiesta. However, I'm incredibly pleased with how progress is going and how quickly it's going. The front end is all on the car and it is looking very shiny. We just need to align some of the panels to get the car looking as it should. The parts I painted at the start of the video, however, didn't turn out so well. They're on the side here if I show you. This is kind of how my efforts came out. They look a bit glossier on camera, however it's not the gloss effect I was after. I'm not sure if that's down to the Halford's paint, but yeah, it's not what I wanted. And also in here it has reacted. This one reacted rather badly, so I've been getting the paint off with this razor blade, and once the paint had come off from the job that the guys at the body shop had done, the piece of plastic is just standard underneath, so they haven't prepped the part at all for paint. So when I gave it a light sand and put my paint on top, it did unfortunately react. Also that lower grille piece, the long one, that was actually looking really good. It was really, really glossy. And then as soon as I threw on the clear coat, it fogged up. So that was a waste of time. Yeah, seeing as I weren't that impressed with the Halford's paint, I have changed brand and I'm going to go for this one next. So my plan is to get all the paint off this, which is actually quite a ball ache, especially getting in all these pieces here, and I've sanded down there. So it is quite hard, however, these bigger bits were coming off in massive sheets. So I suppose that was quite easy. You can kind of see where it come off of there. Need to do that one and maybe do the lower grille. If not, I'll probably buy another one because that is quite fiddly. Hopefully this paint does a better job. Fingers crossed. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're as excited as I am to see the Fiesta coming together. I cannot wait to get it on the road. It needs new brakes and bits and bobs like that. I've got pretty much all the parts waiting to go onto it. It's just when I've got time. Unfortunately, I am off on holiday. Well, not unfortunately for me, I can't wait, but it will mean a big break in the upload schedule. So sorry about that, but nothing I can do. If you did like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and so make sure you don't miss out on any of the future upcoming videos with the ST by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the bell so you can get instant notifications of when I upload a video. Thanks again for watching.